This is, if you've seen any of my unboxings, the absolute smallest direct-to-film printer. It is also the least expensive. So this is the Prestige A4. So this is not going to be for everyone, okay? This is obviously a desktop size. I also have another desktop size, but there are differences between this and the closest competitor, which would be the Uninet 100, which would print wider and longer. This one, not longer, but wider for sure. So this one is going to fit in that space where you're an at-home small business. I really hesitate to say if DTF at all is for crafters, because honestly, the amount of maintenance on DTF is intense. As I mentioned, I have a bunch. So every day I come in the office, I have to run to each one and at least print a nozzle check to help make sure that they are not going to clog, because the ink on DTF printers is a different type of ink and it will clog the print head. Again, this is the width. You're seeing this, okay? So that is, some may consider a drawback, but many others may also consider that to be definitely a advantage of this printer, because like I said, there are some people that just do not have the budget for a large footprint or a large DTF printer, B, the space for a large DTF printer, or C, maybe right now they're like looking to print transfers, sell the shirts, and then invest in a smaller format so that they can sell all that and then make money in order to reinvest into a larger one. So that is a way to do it if you're just trying to test out the space.